On Wednesday, I just get it, turn right around, and send it right back out. Mini basketball. Mini basketball. Yeah, looking at Panini's website for a lot of the people that they have in there, it looked pretty. For their autograph signers, it looked pretty darn impressive. Got a Hawks, Al Horford. All base. Got a bird's eye view, Pau, Lakers. All base. Got a Victor Oladipo, night school. Got a preparations of James Harden, the Rockets. Base. Glad the Blazers beat them. I don't know, for some reason I'm not a big James Harden fan. Got a preparation of Chris Paul for Clippers. All base. Got a Steph Curry. I think it's just because it seems like everything James Harden does, seems like he celebrates and goes crazy, and he makes a layup, he goes nuts. He makes a three-pointer, he goes crazy. He makes a free throw, he's... Kevin Love, Timberwolves. All base. Seems way too over the top. Got a top 10, Michael Carter Williams, 76ers. Base. What's up, Super Dave? Got Eric Gordon, Pelicans. Base. After Panini basketball, we'll do a couple boxes of triple threads football, and then we'll call it a night. Get this stuff uploaded to YouTube. Get ready to get shipped out. And Kevin Durant. Base. Preparations, James Harden. Got your first auto is a veteran. First auto is a veteran. Got a Vernon Mad Maxwell. Mad Maxwell going to Houston Rockets. Vernon Maxwell. Houston Rockets. Oh, base. Gotta love some Mad Maxwell. Got a family business of the Rices. Glenn Rice Jr. Got a top 10 of Alex Lynn. Suns. Bird's eye view of Paul George, Pacers. Got a Thunder, Russell Westbrook. Got James Harden, Rockets. Auto number 2, going the Golden State Warriors. Rookie auto for the Warriors. Nemanja Nedovic. Golden State Warriors. Nemanja Nedovic. Golden State Warriors. Rookie auto. Base. Bulls, Derrick Rose. Base. Got a Victor Oladipo. Bird's eye view for the Magic. Got a Rajon Rondo for the Celtics. Got a preparations of Jeremy Lin for the Rockets. Last pack, box 1. Got a base gold of Timberwolves J.G. Barrera. Base. Box 2. Box 2, Panini basketball. Got a Blake Griffin, Clippers. Pacers, Paul George. Got a Rising Tide auto. Rising Tide. Sacramento Kings Quincy AC. We have not, Sauce Man. We only got one case of it. Quincy AC. Base. So we only got one case of this stuff. Got a family business of the Rivers, Doc Rivers, Austin Rivers. So that would be pretty cool. Top 10 of Kelly Olynyk, Celtics. Got a bird's eye view, Derrick Rose, Chicago Bulls. Cavaliers, Kyrie Irving. 48 Johnson, what's up, man? Got Monty Ellis, the Mavericks. Got a base gold of Carlos Boozer, Bulls. Base. Got a Kenneth Faried, Nuggets. All base. Base. Got a Chris Paul. Bird's eye view. Got a Klay Thompson. Warriors. Got a Preparations Clippers Chris Paul. Preparations Jeremy Lamb. They say I'll have some on Wednesday. So we got a case of it coming Wednesday. Timberwolves of Kevin Love. Base. Got a Paul George. Pacers. I imagine you get some of those big name autos. They probably sell pretty darn good. Kobe for the Lakers. Blazers Damian Lillard. Base. Preparations of James Harden again. Not too bad. Got a rated rookie auto patch out of 100. Rated rookie auto patch out of 100. Going to the Knicks, Tim Hardaway Jr. Timmy Hardaway Jr. Out of 100 for the New York Knicks. That's a good hit there. Rated rookie auto patch, Tim Hardaway Jr. Base. Got Michael Carter Williams, 76ers. Base. Top 10, Victor Oladipo, Magic. Base. Last pack, box number 2. Bird's eye view, Michael Carter Williams, 76ers. Base. Box 3. Then after this, we'll move on to some Threads football. First pack auto, we're going to go to the Rockets. So 2 veteran Rocket autos tonight. Rockets, Chucky Brown. Houston Rockets. Thanks, dude. Got Rivers, Doc Rivers, Austin Rivers. Base. Top 10 Bucks, Nate Walters. Base. Not too bad. Got a Timmy Duncan. Sixers, Michael Carter Williams. Base. Got a Klay Thompson, the Warriors. Base. Got a Magic, majorlps. Base. Top 10. Vitor Fabberini, Celtics. Bird's eye view for the Lakers, Pau Gasol. Got James Harden, Rockets. Preparations of Daniel Gibson, Cavaliers. Got a redemption. Got a redemption of, it's not too bad. Superstar signature card 3. Cavaliers. Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving. Card number 3 for the Cavaliers. Superstar signatures. Good hit for the Cavs. A base. Got Kevin Durant. Base. That was a good one for the Cavs. Got a bird's eye view, Eric Gordon, Pelicans. Warriors, Steph Curry. Got T-Wolves, Kevin Love. Preparations of Darren Williams for the Nets. Base. Knights out of the round. Was that a die cut? Got Kyrie, gold, all base. Yes, it was a, I think it was in the last 4 boxes. It was a Damian Lillard. Got J.G. Barrera, Wolves, all base. I'm pretty sure it was a Lillard. Got Paul George, Pacers. Base. Got Chicago Bulls, Derrick Rose. Preparations of Kevin Garnett for the Nets. To go with your auto, or never mind, that was a Pacer. Paul George. That was Cavalier first. Paul George for the Pacers. Last pack, box number 3. Last pack, box 3. Got a Thunder, Russell Westbrook. Base. Box 4. Box number 4, then we'll start working on our Threads football. We'll call it a night. Get this stuff uploaded onto YouTube. Got a Rajon Rondo for the Celtics. Base. Got a majorlps. What's up, Mets? Got a gold Jason Richardson. Sixers. Base, we got probably what? 10 minutes on Threads. 5-10 minutes on Threads football. Got a Blake Griffin. Clippers. What's up, 48? I meant to email you back. We already moved those for you. We got your email Friday night. Oh, basically, we went ahead and moved all of that stuff. Since you said you didn't want any of it. Got Eric Gordon. Oh, base. Thunder, Russell Westbrook. All base. Got Bulls, Derrick Rose. All base. Got a Rising Tide auto. Rising Tide, Atlanta Hawks, DeMarre Carroll. Yeah, they did. DeMarre Carroll, Atlanta Hawks. All base. Yeah, I actually figured once you watch that video, you'd be okay with me sending them out to you. Got let's see here, Klay Thompson and Michael Thompson. Base. They could. Got top 10, Anthony Bennett. Base. Got a bird's eye view, Timmy Duncan. Spurs. On base. Panini. They're pretty good. Their high-end stuff's really good. Got Paul George, Pacers. On base. Got James Harden. All base. Yadier Molina. Cubby killer tonight. Got a Rising Tide auto. Keith, I think you'll be okay with it. I think you'll be okay with the duplicate auto tonight. Got an auto patch and now a base auto. Timmy Hardaway. Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Knicks. Tim Hardaway Jr. 48 Johnson, you did not, sir. It'll be next. Tim Hardaway Jr. It is not numbered. Base. Got a Cavs. Kyrie. Base. Got Steven Adams for the Thunder. Top 10. Base. So that's not a bad night for panini basketball, as most everything went for pretty darn cheap. Pau Gasol, Lakers. All base. Nuggets, Kenneth Reed. Base. Clippers, preparations, Chris Paul. Base. Got preparations of Jeremy Lin, Rockets. Got Damian Lillard. That three he hit the other night was just beautiful to watch. Base. Nothing like a catch and shoot to end the game on a game winner. Damian Lillard again, Blazers. Base. Last pack. Panini basketball. Got a bird's eye view, Paul George, Pacers. Base. Finishing panini basketball.